The UK's November 2025 immigration reforms have brought some of the most significant changes seen in years, affecting students, workers, families, and employers across the board. From higher financial thresholds to strict criminality checks and rising sponsorship costs, these updates usher in a new era of compliance, enforcement, and tightly controlled migration pathways. One of the biggest changes is the new flexibility for seasonal worker visas, allowing up to 6 months of work within any rolling 10-month period, giving farmers more labor stability during critical harvest seasons. The entire seasonal worker scheme has been extended until 2029, confirming the UK's continued reliance on international labor to support agriculture and food supply chains. International students now face sharply increased maintenance funds, with higher monthly requirements for both London and non-London areas, creating more financial pressure on applicants. Strict documentation standards mean students must maintain funds for 28 days without interruption, a common point of refusal for applicants from low and middle-income countries. The Home Office has also introduced automatic visa refusals for applicants with custodial sentences of 12 months or more, reinforcing a tough stance on criminality and suitability concerns. New safeguarding rules mean family visas can be refused if there is credible evidence that the sponsor poses a risk to a child or vulnerable adult, increasing checks from social services and law enforcement bodies. Employers are now required to pay higher sponsorship and priority service fees, pushing businesses to strengthen compliance processes and plan recruitment timelines more strategically. These November 2025 reforms show that the UK is shifting toward a stricter, compliance-driven immigration model where precision, documentation, and transparency are more important than ever. Migrants and employers must adapt quickly by preparing documents early, understanding new thresholds, and maintaining perfect compliance to avoid refusals or delays. As the UK enters a new phase of immigration policy, staying informed and seeking expert advice will be essential for successfully navigating the evolving landscape.